Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi. The whole dream of my life has been to be a true servant of mankind. And fortunately, all was introduced to Manavratna of Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, who is chairman of GVK Group of Industries. I wanted to learn so many things from him. I wanted to emulate him, so I called him Gurudev. Gurudev means a man who has really ruled your mind, heart, and soul. And I started learning from him. I saw he's a man of self-discipline, self-control, dedicated, committed, passionate to serve the mankind. And the very example where I am standing here, it is the campus of GVK EMRI, and you can see right here James O. Pace block. Here we are training thousands and thousands of people how to really be a true servant of mankind and serve them in emergency. Dear friends, he is an entrepreneur, he is a billionaire, he has a lot of business. I cannot become a businessman because right from the beginning I have been a very studious, very hardworking student. So I want to become just student and learn from him that positive thing, that is to be self-discipline, self-control, a true passionate servant of mankind. And as I am a yoga trainer and I have been a yogi, fakir yogi, Brendra yogi, so I wanted to have absolute control of my mind because that is the meaning of yoga, because mind is wavering, oscillating, drifting, and so Vivekananda defined really the restraining the mind stuff from taking various forms. Restraining the mind stuff from taking various forms. And that I have seen Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy does. His mind is absolute control. A mind with profound patience, passion, perseverance, persistence, always helping people, caring for people, motivating people, inspiring people, and rewarding people for their qualities and attributes. I have been rewarded. I have been deputed in this campus of GVKMRI as a yoga trainer, as a motivator, a true servant who really inspired people to develop feelings. People are very cunning, very clever, but more than that, what I have been taught by him, to be a person with lot of feelings, to be more knowledgeable, not to be more passionate, to use our all the virtues and qualities to see that all the human beings are better. Dear friends, so in that areas of self-discipline, self-control, taking full possession of mind and directing towards serving the mankind, that attribute I have borrowed from him. I don't want to be billionaire because that I never learned right from childhood. I learned to be a self-disciplined person like Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, like Vivekananda, like Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, whom I call him Manav Ratna, because Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, they are something different where I am not interested. I am interested self-motivation, self-improvement, self-enlightening, being disciple of Gautama Siddhartha Buddha. And there I see Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy is a self-enlightened man. He is a self-developed person because his background is from the rural areas of Nellore of United Andhra Pradesh. He has the passion to use his mind by being very disciplined, by being dedicated, committed, a passionate person to serve people in different areas. And that's why he is very close friend of my real hero, Honorable Ratan Tata. They are friends. And you can see the example, Taj Krishna, Taj Banjara, Taj Deccan, Taj Chandigarh, Taj Chennai, both are friends. So these are the people whom I really follow, their footprints, in their attributes of great humanity, not in money. Money is not my goal. My goal is how to become a great human being who has absolute control on his mind. When I say control of his mind, means stop the drifting nature of the mind. It's very difficult because in yogic literature, yoga chittavritti nirodha. restraining the mind stuff from taking various forms. That is the real meaning of yoga. And Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy is a true yogi. He is now more than 83. He was born on 22nd March 1937. Same year where Honorable, real great servant of Mother India, the true son, Ratan Tata. They share so many commons. So, bottom line, I call Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy Gurudev. Gurudev means some attributes, some qualities which I really appreciate, adorn and want to emulate. That is the self-discipline. And I have been awarded and rewarded. So many occasions he has told in the public gathering also, Virender is a man with self-discipline. And no better than that. That is the real thing. Thank you, viewers. Learn from that. Thank you.